Assalamu alaikum. Today, my topic is robust standard error in panel data, presented by Amna Mateen, Aisha Muzaffar, and Sadaf Batu. The objective of my topic is need for robust standard error in panel data, and the other objective is how to compute and interpret robust standard error. Now, first of all, what is robust standard error? That Ruble standard error is the outlier. Actually, Rubers statistically provide the idea of outlier. Outlier are those points in the panel data set that destroy the regular pattern, and single outlier is enough. Means one single outlier is enough to break the systematic way and misguide, so it must be of taking action. And then to understand panel data is refers to a data set that contain observation or multiple entities. Panel data used allow the researcher great flexibility in modeling of differences in behavior across individual. And then panel data formula is that cross-sectional plus time series that are merged in panel data, and the command combination of two data set. It's a panel data is a combination of two data set, and in Stata we use command xt set and regress also. now now I open the Stata, and then to import panel data, first we check on this import from row as variable name. Then I browse. So here the variables show different variables, and uh, data import. So now we regress, use the command regress for dependent variable and independent variable. I write command regress and then select dependent variable, that is income, and the independent variable is inflation. Here the result is the constant, the coefficient values, and the standard error. The coefficient values is in a positive, so it increases, and the p-value is constant 0.00, and the inflation p-value is 0.3, that is greater than the significant level. And now to compute the results, now to compute the differences between standard error and robust standard error, we compute first of all robust standard error. So I use the command that is same as, but we add something robust. Here the result is robust standard error is that the coefficient is same, the regression, and the robust regression, the coefficient is same, and robust standard error and standard error, there is a differences. The value is different, and here the value is different, and t value t value is also a different here, and here also the t value is different. The t-value test the hypothesis that the coefficient is different from 0. To reject this, need to a t-value greater than 1.96. You can get t-value by dividing the coefficient by its standard error and plus and the t-value show the inter in interpretation of a importance of a variable in the model. And the p-value about the p-value interpretation is that to tell p-value test the hypothesis that each coefficient is different from 0. To reject this p-value has to be lower than 0.05. But in this case, Rupa's standard error inflation p-value is greater than the significant level 0.05. So p-value, the constant is 0.00 and the p-value is in inflation is greater than 0.05. That is statistically insignificant and accept the null hypothesis. Thank you so much. Um, I hope you understand my lecture on the Rupert standard error. What is I hope